Kraft Paper Folding Machine is a new type of folding machine developed by our company according to the needs of domestic and foreign markets. It can perform a series of operations on kraft paper, such as slitting, automatic folding, and paper receiving. The machine adopts the paper loading method of combining air shaft and hydraulic device, which is simple and convenient to operate. PLC touchscreen control system, which is easy to operate. Ultrasonic automatic waveguide system to ensure the accuracy of products in operation. Centralized oil supply system to ensure the lubrication of power transmission. Install the air suction automatic dust removal system. In the whole process, the operation is simple, safe, and the noise is low, meeting the international general requirements and standards. Welcome to Inquire and Purchase.